Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a chatbot with Microsoft Bot Framework step by step clearly. Start by setting up your development environment. Download and install Visual Studio if you haven't already. Choose the Community Edition, which is free for individual developers. Ensure you have the .NET Core SDK installed on your machine. Next, open Visual Studio and create a new project. Select Empty Bot Application from the available templates. Name your project and choose a suitable location to save it. Click on Create to initialize your project. Once your project is open, you will see a Solution Explorer on the right. Locate and open that appsettings.json file. In this file, you'll need to add your Microsoft App ID and app password. You can obtain these by registering your bot on the Microsoft Bot Framework website. After you have your credentials, fill in the necessary fields in the JSON file. Next, move to the bots folder in your project. Here, you will find a sample bot class named mybot.cs. Open this file to define the bot's conversation logic. Use Message Controller to handle incoming messages. Modify the code to respond to user inputs as desired. Next, you should add additional functionalities like Luis or Q&A Maker for natural language understanding. To do this, navigate to the Azure portal and create the necessary services. Once set up, integrate these services into your bot logic. Now, it's time to test your bot locally. In Visual Studio, open the terminal and run the command to start the bot. Ensure that your Bot Framework emulator is installed on your machine. Open the Bot Framework emulator and connect it to your bot using the endpoint URL. Send test messages to see how your bot responds. After testing, it's time to deploy your bot. Set up an Azure account if you don't have one, and log in. Create a new Azure bot resource using the Azure portal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.